Hi guys, welcome to MV Tutors. I'm Tsulu and I'll be covering synthetic division. Okay, so Figure, my husband, he covered the long division. I personally don't like it. I feel like it takes a long time. So I'd rather show you how to do a shorter way or a shorter method. Okay, and this is called the synthetic division. So if you'd like a private lesson, please do contact us on our website www.mvtutors.co.za. All right, let us get to it. Or else you can WhatsApp us, guys, on 076 312 1107. Let's get to it. So, when you are doing synthetic division, first of all, you need to get at least one factor. Okay, so in this example, we can try different numbers to see what is actually one of the factors here. A cubic function has 3 factors, okay? So let us try something here. If I were to check out if 1 is a factor, I'm going to substitute 1 where x is, okay? So I have, and I must get 0, okay? So I have 1 to the power 3 minus 2 times 1, 23, minus 23 times 1 squared plus 80 times 1 minus 84. Okay guys, it is equal to negative 25, so no, that is not gonna work. Let us try negative 1. Okay, so you normally start with 1 or negative 1, then you move over to like 2, negative 2. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Negative. Ooh, we get negative 189. Definitely not a factor. Okay, let's try negative 2 since we have the negatives there. Okay, negative 2. Nope. Let's try positive 2. Yay! We got a factor. It is 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2 is a factor. Alright, so if I take 2 to the other side, it'll be x minus 2. Okay, as 1. And then in the bigger bracket, we have x cubed, something x, and something. And that is where we answer the question, factorize fully. Alright, so I'm going to show you synthetic division. What you do, you just have this, that thing over there. Okay, let me try it again. Over here. Okay. And then we know that 2 is a factor, right? And then we're going to look at the coefficients of our, so coefficient of x cubed, coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x, and lastly, the constant, which is negative 84. So coefficient of x cubed, that is 2. The coefficient of x squared, that would be negative 23. Coefficient of x is 80. And the constant is negative 84. All right. So what you do, first and foremost, the first value, you drop it down. Okay, so we have 2. Then I would say 2 times 2, that would give me 4. Okay, then negative 23 plus 4, okay, that will give me negative 19. All right, negative 19 times 2, I think that's negative 38. Basically, guys, we're trying to get 0 here. If we don't get 0, we're in trouble. Okay, so 80 minus 38. Okay, so that's going to be 2. 7 minus 3. Remember, we're adding here, so that hence. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, we have 42. And then 2 times 42, guys, it is 84. Yay. And when we add the negative 84 plus 84 is 0. Okay, guys, we're almost there. We're done. We're almost. So in the first bracket, like I said, you have x minus 2. And then the coefficient of x squared. So you're going to have 2x squared. Then you're going to have negative 19x. And then you're going to have 42. And then you have factorized. But did we factorize fully? Okay, so once you're here, I don't know, can we factorize this fully? Well, you can use your quadratic formula to factorize this even further. Quadratic formula. Okay, for those who have calculators that are normally for varsity and not for matric, you can actually get the factors quite quickly, and I am going to attempt that. Okay, I will see if it actually works. Hopefully it does. Let me just get it first and then I'll continue. Okay guys, so I found it in the calculator. So what you do, you go to mode. Okay, well that depends on, yes, it depends on the calculator that you have. So you go to mode and you search for options, and then here we could have used this to just calculate once and for all, but I'm just doing it speedily because by this time you should know the quadratic equation or the quadratic formula to get the other factors, but for the sake of time I'm just going to use the calculator here. So yeah, basically our coefficient A, we had 2. Okay, for B we have negative 19. And for C, we have 42. Okay, and then solve. So firstly, we have x is equal to 3,5. Okay, which can also be like 7 over 2. And or we have x is equal to 6. Okay, so if I were to take 2 to the other side, I would have 2x is equal to 7, right? And then it would be 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So here I can then plug in 2x minus 7. Here I have x is equal to 6, so I can just say x minus 6 is equal to 0. And therefore I have x minus 6. And all of that is equal to 0. And that's it, guys. You could have used the quadratic formula. It also works. And that's it. Ciao.